Its imminent enactment could be disastrous for his company. Speaking to reporters before entering the courtroom on Thursday morning, Trump called the trial a witch hunt and very corrupt and said, "We did nothing wrong. The bank loves us. The bank expressed that they loved us. We did absolutely nothing wrong. We never even defaulted. We were never sent a default letter. The bank said we were excellent customers. The bank didn't even know why they were here." The former president also called New York Attorney General Letitia James, who sued the Trumps and their companies for allegedly inflating financial statements by billions of dollars, crazy. "The Attorney General sits here because knows he has a judge and that judge will rule in his favor, no matter what all the evidence is," said, referring to Judge Arthur Engoron. James, who has been in court for all of Trump's other hearings, was not there Thursday morning. On the witness stand for the defense was New York University accounting professor Eli Bartov. Bartov, who has previously testified in court as an expert witness more than a dozen times, including for federal government, said there was nothing wrong with Trump's financial statements and argued that it was the AG's conclusions about statements that were flawed. "My main finding is that there is no evidence of any accounting," he said, adding, "My analysis shows that the statements of financial position for all years were not materially misstated." The judge asked him whether the expert opinion from an accounting perspective was that the AG's claims had no validity. Trump lawyer Jesus Suarez asked Bartov about a glaring example of a significant misrepresentation. The AG's office noted in its lawsuit the company claimed Trump's triplex was worth 3 times more than it actually was because they listed its size as over 30,000 square feet, while it is 10,000 square meters. Bartov acknowledged the valuation incorrect but said it was an error that later corrected and it may have been unintentional or accidental. An angry Kevin Wallace of the AG's office later told the judge that Bartov's statement was pure speculation from someone they hired to say what they want. Bartov told Wallace, "You should be ashamed of yourself for talking to me like that. I am here to tell the truth." Trump listened carefully to Bartov's testimony and appeared to be in a much better mood than when he arrived on his morning break. He told reporters that Bartov was a strong witness, a very strong witness and a respected person. Trump also celebrated Thursday's decision by a panel of state appellate division judges to pause Engoron's preliminary hearing order that shuttered some of Trump's businesses after finding that he and his company were involved in repeated. The decision means that stay previously put in place and agreed to by AG's office will continue until full court hears and rules on Trump's appeal. That probably won't happen until sometime next year.